after 4 years of being a car enthusiast, he has finally decided to clean his shed.
Trying to make enough room so we can fit 2 cars in here. This is going to be a first time thing.
We're going to have 2 barn finds.
Up into that corner, pull forward, and then reverse it.
Yeah. Keep coming. Yeah.
Is your car still on?
Yes.
Like an sort of like planking.
That'll probably be my car.
Okay, cool. As long as it's not my baby. am I going to reverse it or anything? This mirror is shit. It's zoomed in, so I can properly see in high definition that door, but I can't see anything else.
Yeah, you can swing around. Stop. Stop.
If you want to do like your rears or something first, probably just reverse it in.
Yeah, actually, that's not a bad shout.
Nathan's turn. You fucked it already.
How the fuck did you do this?
Alright, now straighten up. Come back. I'll keep going. Stop. Sacrificing myself so the Corrado doesn't get hurt.
Mate, why was that a mission?
It's a good job I cut them trees though. Oh. You look like the pizza delivery man at the moment.
Pizza time. We're changing my speakers on my car. I'm not a very good YouTuber. But there's a reason why I quit like 4 or 5 times.
Yeah. Alright, so what we're doing today, because Nathan's not very good at explaining it, he's bought some new speakers for his car, I've bought some new speakers for my car. We're going to attempt to do his ones first, and then mine. Hopefully mine should be pretty simple because I just need to swap the adapters over. But I haven't got a clue about these ones.
I've done saloon speakers before. It's a very similar job, and I'm not looking forward to it.
Picture spot. Look at that thick. Woo! We are starting it off by trying to do parcel shelf speakers.
They're right up behind the headrest. I don't know if you can see, but they're right up there. So in order to do that, get there first. Oh, please excuse the mess of my car, by the way, because I have a company car which I drive more, and I don't really give this car the love that it deserves.
Are you sure this is just a yank?
Yeah, it is just a
Yank.
yank. To me.
To you.
We followed the tutorial, we got the headrest out. I think they're Harman Kardon speakers, which came with the car, which are 15 years old.
Yours have got clips as well.
Yeah, so what I'll have to do is snip that and crimp it with some spade connectors.
So I nearly just trod on a little visitor. He scared the absolute shit out of me. He's currently stuck underneath that box. He's just wedged himself in there. I didn't trap him. Here he comes, or she. I think that one's female because it's got small tongues.
Could you test the speaker, see if it works?
Yeah, go on. Nathan's wired one speaker in. And now we're going to test to see if it actually works.
We got it works.
Is the speaker working?
It works!
Hey!
I don't condone animal abuse, but that will kill us.
No, it won't.
No, it won't.
What he means to say is he's going to very carefully try and move it out so it's not in the way. So
I may use my foot.
No,
I'm not going to
won't.
squash it.
They're endangered. Don't kick it. What are you doing?
Right, hang on.
Just put the cup over it. Oh, he's moving.
Get the fuck in the box.
Hey, it's in. Hey, now just put it over here. Bro, put it over there. It's going to fall. Just go and throw it over there. No, not over the fence, man.
Where the fuck am I going to...
Just put it on the floor. Put the box on the floor. Oh my god, you're missing something in your head. Whatever, that worked as well. It doesn't look dead. And there we have it. 2 professionals installing rear speakers on a BMW E46.
Did you say professionals?
Yes.
Why did that take us 4 hours then?
I just want to quickly interrupt this video with a sponsor of myself, I guess, if that's what you call it. Now, probably over a year ago, I used to have a shop with some of my merch. A lot of you will probably remember I had hoodies, t-shirts and stickers. I still have a few bits left over, but I wanted to get some more stickers in because I know a few people have been asking. Also, this is another way for you guys to show your support for me, I suppose. If you like what I do, if you want to help me out and keep going, by the time this video's up, the store will now be live again with the new stickers. So I'll quickly show you. It's mainly more colour range is what I've got. These should be a little bit better quality as well. A nice metallic blue, you can kind of see. There we go, it's in the light, you can kind of see it sparkling now. Holographic chrome as well is another example that I've just stuck down here on my Xbox to get an example of. One of my favourite colours that I've stuck on my laptop is this cherry red, which looks really nice. Yeah, they're just a few examples. I've put the remaining hoodies, I think there's 5 hoodies left and less than 10 t-shirts left overall on my site. But if you want to, you know, help me out, show support, if you want to grab a sticker, if you order 2 or more stickers, there's free shipping if you use the discount code on the screen. If you want to show your support, that would be amazing. But of course, if you don't want to, that's cool. Carry on watching the video. If you are enjoying the video, guys, please do drop a like. That's the least you can do. Thanks, guys, and let's get back to the video. Now that we've got the practice out the way on Nathan's car, time for my car. These are the speakers that came out of the rear. Really easy to get to. I think it's just like 3 screws and they pop straight out. How these are connected is with that type of connection. So what I've done for my new speakers, which are these ones, these are recommended. I don't know if they're any good or not. They're the exact replacement for them. And I've got these connections, hopefully plug straight in, and then it should plug into that one. I'm just gonna get on with it and then I'll show you guys what I've done with it. They're both plugged in, so I'm gonna see if they actually work.
Hey, they're working.
So now I just got to buy the door card ones and then whatever these ones are in here, because it's now the front which is letting down the rears. So I'm going to tidy everything up, put it back on. Sweet, that was probably the easiest speaker setup I've ever done. Do some research in what to get for the front ones. If anyone's got any suggestions for speakers for the dash and the door card, let me know. Well, as usual, I spoke too soon. Nothing wrong with the connection or anything. Trying to get the new speakers into this bracket, basically. They're the old ones, the magnet is pretty small. They're the new ones, the magnet is a bit bigger. They don't sit flush into the bracket that they're made for. So what I had to do, basically what everyone has to do with these cars, is chop the bottom tray out so it can sit flush. It's not too bad. And obviously it sits in perfectly fine. So I'm going to do the same for the other side and see how we get on. And there we go, they're in. All connected up from one small, easy connector, in solid. Both of them are all good. Now I just need to tidy up because I've created quite a mess in it. I'm now ending this video. A few days later, I've got to run Lucy's charger to her work because she left a laptop charger. Then I got to run to the post office to post one of her returns, and then I've got to post some of my stickers out. If you guys are interested in supporting me, helping me out, check out the link in the description. So yeah, check out my new stickers. I've also got a few, like I said, hoodies and t-shirts and whatever left. Have a little browse, see what suits you. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Really hope you enjoyed this video. Bit more of a everyday life video rather than just dedicated to one thing. I'm gonna try this out for a few videos now, just to see how it goes. Bit of Black Eyed Peas, why not? Leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.
Let's go to the end. Yeah. My car is... I kind of feel what you feel, it's like the pressure.
Oh, right. I've got to try and work out the angles on this to swing it properly.
Good job I brought my protractor.
Yeah, get them angles.
What a dead joke, and you even laughed at that.